Thank you very much. I believe today we are giving Kiro claps, and that was not Kiro. Can we do the same like we have done with all the others? Thank you. Our chief guest, Professor Harry Kane, your senior colleagues, the two senior colleagues from the ministry here who are with us here, the district education officer, Thika West, the principal, Mr. Brian, the consultant from Commonwealth of Learning, workshop participants, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Thika Technical Training Institute to participate in this international workshop. It is a workshop that shows our determination to collaborate with the Commonwealth of Learning and other organizations. The collaboration will enable us give good and efficient service delivery to our potential learners and also the Thika Technical Training Institute community at large. It has taken a lot of resources by CORE and Thika Technical Training Institute to make today's course design workshop a success. Our chief guest, sir, the current Board of Governors has strived to harness the human and material resources in the Institute to create an enabling environment for proper learning. In this regard, the board is working harmoniously with the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Technology, the Parent Teachers Association, the teachers, the students, and the community around us to raise the academic standards of the Institute. The board, in partnership with CORE, has embarked on making lecturers of Thika Technical Training Institute develop professionally in the area of flexible skills development. As we focus ahead in building this institute, our occupation is to render the necessary support that will enable this college to prosper and lecturers to be among the leading institutions in this country and beyond. The use of ICT will improve service delivery, which will be measured by the quality of the learners we release to the job market in the formal and informal sectors of the economy. The board recognizes the need of embracing ICT in teaching and learning activities, and hence it has put the following in place. A section of Flexible Skills Development Center where lecturers learn application of ICTs in teaching delivery. The board has also engaged full-time ICT support personnel from last year in January to ensure efficient and effective internet and computer operation is in place in all departments. We are also in the process of enhancing our connectivity through use of wireless internet. We in the board are thankful and appreciative to the principal and other members of staff for the role they have played in collaborating with CORE to realize the transformation that has been experienced by lecturers learning through skills development. Finally, I would urge Commonwealth of Learning participants to put in use the skills gained from this workshop. Thank you for coming to Kenya, and more so to Thika Technical Training Institute, and we wish you a very, very, very pleasant stay here in the Institute. Thank you.